So far, we've just considered the case of perspective projection, the sort of image that is formed by a simple lens, and it's the same sort of optics as we have in our own eyes. But there are many different sorts of cameras and different sorts of lenses, and they don't necessarily perform perspective projection. In this particular case, we're looking at a fisheye lens image. The fisheye lens here has got a very wide field of view. And if we look at the image captured by the fisheye lens, we notice a few things. Most importantly, we note that the straightness of lines is not preserved. So we see along the top of the laptop and the sides of the Coke can, these are no longer straight lines. They appear to be curves because this is not a perspective projection. Lenses work by refraction, that is, they bend the rays of light that are passing through them. Another way we can do this is by reflection. We use curved mirrors instead of lenses in order to bend the light rays. And here is an example again from the drawings of Isaac Newton of his early reflecting telescope. So sometimes some very big lenses are actually made by combinations of shaped mirrors and lenses. These sorts of hybrid imaging systems are referred to as catadioptric. And this is derived from the Greek words dioptrics for refraction and catoptrics for reflection. Another type of imaging system, again on this catadioptric model, is the panoramic lens, and you can see it quite clearly here. What we have down the bottom is a fairly standard camera with a lens in front of it, and then there is a stalk which holds a parabolic mirror. So the camera is actually looking at the parabolic mirror. And this arrangement allows us to create panoramas. So the raw panorama, what the camera actually sees, is shown here on the bottom right, and we see a very distorted view of the world. Because we know the mathematics of this image formation process, we can unwrap the image, and that is what we use to create the panorama shown at the top. What we note with this panoramic image, once again, is that straight lines are not preserved. They appear to be very seriously distorted.